Okay, since the tank is up and running now and going through its cycle, I decided to build a controller slash wire organizing system in the back end of the Reef Sea cabinet. This way I can make sure this cabinet is not cluttered and everything is a little more organized, so it's not just laying down on the bottom of the cabinet like this. So I am actually going to use some of the packing material that the tank came in. It came in a pallet with a lot of wood that I feel bad just throwing away, so I'm going to use a lot of that wood to build the mounting system and see how well that works out. So let's get started. Okay, so the inside of the stand is 30 inches high by 19.75 inches wide. I'm cutting the board slightly smaller. I'm making it 29.5 inches tall and 19.5 inches wide to leave a little gap. Since I am gonna do some backlighting, I wanted the light to seep out from the edges, of course, as well as where the holes are going to be for the wires to come through. So let's get cutting. Alright, so we're going to try to paint it with this paint and primer and one Rust-Oleum product to try to get to match the stand.
All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is what the completed panel currently is looking like. I am still trying to mount everything, but this is the pretty much going to be the final product. Maybe a little tweak here and there, but I think it came out pretty well.
Running back. Because I'm awfully deceiving. I always say I'm fine, but that's not the true meaning. The walls are caving in and it leaves me with feelings, but the only one that matters is I won't be defeated.